Greetings, Ken here. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to modify Windows 10 so that it supports the install or updates of Creative Cloud Web. Now, if you're using Adobe Creative Cloud and you have the Creative Cloud desktop application, from time to time you're going to get prompted to do updates. I noticed an anomaly after joining my computer to my network domain or my work domain so that I can install my Office 365 applications, that some policies were turned on and I needed to make modifications to be able to support the update. What these are called, they're called side loading or side load applications, where essentially they're installing on the side, so to speak. So if you get an error here, and it's most likely to be an error 506. This is the error window. If you click on the link for help, it'll bring you to this search, and you can scroll down until you find error 506. Basically, click to find your error. You could type in 506. I just scrolled down, and here you have error 506 is an install policy failure. And then when you click on the solution, it's going to bring up the steps down at the bottom. Now, one thing I noticed is, and you might see this too, solution one might not work if your computer is joined to an organization, your job or whatever, due to Office 365. If they're using that sort of remote support for workstations, you might encounter that issue. Policies will write down and make adjustments to different security settings to further secure your computer. If you don't, then you can try enable side loading on Windows. I didn't see that, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I followed the steps. I clicked into the Windows icon, went on to settings, typed in developer settings, and I don't see side loading anywhere. I do note that I have settings hidden by or managed by my organization, and this is probably because I joined my computer to the org. So I don't see the settings in there. So what I did was I used solution 2. Solution 2 is in your registry. With registry, please be very careful. Only do what you are being asked to do, and remember what you did in case you need to reverse it, because a mistake in registry editor can essentially shut your computer down. So here they're saying navigate to hkey underscore local underscore machine. I'm just going to look for this path, right? So I'm going to go ahead and bring that window over. And what they're asking me to do is to go to the Windows, then Apps, and then look at Allow All Trusted Apps and change it to 1. 1 meaning yes, 0 meaning no. So I'm going to go into HKey Local Machine, go down to Software, go down to Policies. I already had that open because I made the adjustment. Policies, then Windows, Microsoft, then Windows, then Apps. Then under Apps, you'll see Allow All Trusted Apps. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and that should have a 1. Well, it actually should have a 0 if you're having the error. Change it to 1, click OK, close Regedit, minimize this just in case you need to repeat steps, and you should be able to repeat it or retry. You'll have an error probably right around here. Click retry, and as you can see here, it's fully updated. So it fixed it immediately. I didn't even have to restart the computer. Hope that helps. If you have any questions about Creative Cloud desktop applications or other Windows 10 issues, please feel free to pop a question in the comments, and I'll try to get to you. Take care.